I'm going to draw Don Osagie. He will know the year, not Bekan, this woman. They to borrow. If you borrow this money, if you borrow this money, you say you want to pay now, you just want to pay. You are scanning all of our women in Edo Sabbath place. We are scanning here. All the name of orphanage home. Wow, we're not going to sleep with married women. We're not going to get orphanage home. We're not going to sleep with married women. If they call disgrace, they carry people, they go courts. Waiting not supposed to happen for the land, because they happen because of useless orphanage home open. Una mind not clean. Central orphanage home they open. Central orphanage home. Other you people when they give orphanage home. Ogo ogbelu wayano di go no orphanage home. Ogo ogbelu wayano di go no orphanage home. Abi ko dan abi gbe agadan. Your family their house. Tell your family may go ring road. Tell your family may go ring road. Ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ boniti, avec police France, même ni agwa lokin pack to da moto ni. Ni ka ge ni agwa lokin ni. Fien ni ge ni agwa lokin. Ni a radio play tromba men. Okay. Okay. Don Osagie, you see your life. You know what to Atiti Kwawa Koro because of your useless wayward life. And I begin to see what will make you to lose your wife. A very pretty little girl. I begin to see what will make you to lose it. It's because of your stupidness, your waywardness in life. I begin to imagine all the days. He said you are very evil. You know you are wasting my saliva because of I thought you are a good person. I don't know if you are evil in the society. You are your mother. And you join your mother to play this woman 419. Your mother joined you to play this woman 419. He supported you. He wants you to be a somebody in the society. And you betrayed this woman today. And you are not labeled this woman to a relationship with. Don Osagie, I don't have too much time for you now. Till when I get back to my destination, I'm coming to come and ask you. If they need to know water. Albert will be happy today. He know in Lagos will be happy today. Several people that called, people that bring you to the social media to come and disgrace before, they are not making us to know the truth. And you see, come out public. You have one event you are going. People that they are welcoming that event because they are all rubbish people. Person like me, I cannot welcome you in my compound again. Because I'm very sincere, vigilante. If I have something to do today, I cannot invite you because you are a 419 and you are a thief. The day I know you are a 419 is the day I jam you, when I jam you for spin, for dance. Now that day I know say you be 419. Now that I know you before when I don't Osagie. I begin to surprise for people that is say backing up because they are wayward in the society. Because they don't know where they are going to, where they are coming from. Don Osagie, you are your mother. You are your mother. Una contribute, una play this our sister 419, our Edo sister. Don Osagie, how dare you? How dare you to behave like that? Last time I wanted to deal with you. Coincidentally, Winifred matter come, and that lady when I friend for 8 years. He said me no fit fight for your own sister. What me you fit do? I no fit do one for your own sister. Because I sacrificed the time because of you. I thought you are a good person. You sell fake land for that girl. It is a father fact. Maybe me with that girl, me with that lady for come back. Because he carry a go thief. Because me with sister they call it carry a go give thief. I remove her for the matter. Till today, you don't see the money. But it is a older matter. I believe you don't give her land back. Una way they do orphanage home. Una you they carry orphanage home they cover her. All of una thief. When I see the disgrace where they enter all of una body. When I see the disgrace where they enter all of una body. Una way be me where they all orphanage home. When I see the disgrace where they enter all of una body, they are bring all of you to social media to come and disgrace you people. I see surprise for our foolish women where they see the fall for our hands. I see the surprise for our foolish women where see the fall for our hand. Waiting and get to how far. Una way they beg people till they feed people. Women will call the women of the cry follow una. Una way they beg people to una guess with mouth. Una don't go do a juju for everywhere. Una content they perere our people. I know so na juju all of una they do. Your hand has come, Don Osagie. Your hand has come. 100 million euro have been naira in where you I don't know how they take the color. 100 million euro. Is any color man? No come on, go no. Is any color man? Is any color man? Ni color man no come on, go no. Igbo ko we Don Osagie. You know what peace. You know what happens, Don Osagie. No worry, you think I they play. You think me they play. Oh, sorry. Una member way get off on home. Go, yage, we need way. One corporate may tell me how much it be. Hello, good morning, man. How much the money be? How much the money will play this woman be? Don Osagie, 100 million can go. Don Osagie, 100 million can go. You can soon. You na gbera. Your mama like buy your papa. When I come there yesterday, he give you your papa tapia. A poison when or yagbera, era home hospital, era na home TB. Oh, when you have boy, Don Osagie. Oh, when you have boy. Oh, when you have boy. When era yagbe Eri you have a yak boy. My bag mowe 45 years. Who is you of social media? Oh, why have you left your money because of your wayward life? Oh, maybe not a Paris. I wake by one way and go along your arm. My bag for one now here. My bag goes you here. Oh, maybe not a Paris. I wake by one Don Osagie only. My bag goes you here. My monkey. Àwọn ẹsẹ̀ mi àgùgé yáyà mi náà àgùgbọ́ wà ó wà gbọ́n àwẹ̀ mọ̀ dàn. Man, Don Osagie, let me go back to my destination. I lose my work because of you. I will not tolerate this nonsense again. The way you people are treating our idol sister is not good. If you borrow money, tell them you will pay their money. And you will start to pray them. That's why if I know a friend woman, if I did for that time when I did for problem, all the old women, when they help me when I fight my documents, I know say they are not my quantity. After I get my document, I now call them, say, please, you helped me before. I cannot travel. I will not friend you. I will pay this money little by little. I will pay this money little by little. I will not transact business with them. Because my father used to tell me, if you know you will not marry a woman, don't promise it. Don't collect any money from the woman. They come out now, say the woman hold. The time when they collect 100 million, no say the woman hold. Oh, go here, boy, Osagie. Oh, go here, boy. Osagie, go here, boy. What assume that woman is not 55, is 56, 46 years old woman. I know that woman. I was surprised the woman, the day the woman blessed me. It's a nice woman. Yo, Osagie, Udo Sungu. Una way they make noise for this matter. Una way they make noise. All of una do na body. All of una all dey for na body. So don't carry pikin. We not fair return the pikin to the owner. So don't born for 4 men. We not the shame. How many women our sister born for? 1 man. 1 man now our sister born for. You were born for 4 men. You're still going to talk in public. You are not ashamed of yourself. This woman not be adulterous. So. He not born for you, born for you. Una call the talk. Una we carry pikin, where they say the whole BCNA. Una think on the talk. He didn't wire. One very chaps. These 3 days, make una take and make noise. Oh. These 3 days, more una take and make noise. If una don't make noise, una go tired, they come for una. Don't know, Osagie, if you know what is good for you, this is the end of your reputation. This is your end of income in a dose of aspect in the whole world. I will make you a skin goat. I will paralyze you. I will paralyze your skin. Such a way you are going the street, BP will be worrying you, Osagie. You know, people, they don't need the truth in the society. People are evil in the society. But due to me, a good son of Edo State, a native daughter, I cannot wait for you to treat this woman bad. Let me reach us. By Tuesday, I will be at home. From here to where I'm going to, 8-hour journey, I will arrive to the destination that I'm going to. But I want to tell you now, Osagie, if you know what is good for you, don't wait for the people who want to support you for evil. I don't support for evil. Last time when you played that girl, what they call her? What they call that woman? South Sweet. When you plan money, when you plan land. South Sweet was the junior sister to the girl when I friend for 8 years. Me with that lady, they quarrel that time. We're supposed to settle because of that word. He called me, say, you have your time ago, Osagie, if your time ago, you will love a gwegwan. I do for a video. Before I know, South Sweet, he say, if they look, other people say they're important. The people when they look say they're important. But at the end, wait it come. I believe say today to say I handle Osagie for not pay that money. Una way they do a financial home, where call the thief our people for a just about space. Oh, go back, belly, why you are so. All of one la wagbe. Una not see all of una way they do a financial home. The men way they do a financial home, una see the disgrace way they enter our body. Go and look up Vivian Nagu in Canada. Go and check she's spending open financial home. 5 years, I'll be 6 years. Go and look where that disgrace your entire body. Una will be me. Mona go look Vivian Nagu. Wait there for Canada. She's 5 years wait there upon orphanage home. He went to the fabrica and work and spend the money in orphanage home. Una wait there for woman parlor. Where woman they feed. Una so na get orphanage home. It's a disgrace. for people that don't have knowledge. Person will not get woman for us, will not get company, go say you get orphanage home. You go call the drive big car. Una we be women now, the four put back. Money won't go save, won't invest, won't don't marry better man. Una say Atiti no go school. You don't know how to read English. See the one we know how to read English now. They goggle now. They chop una money. They chop una money. But in this case, if this lady, I will not tolerate, I will not play with this lady, Don Osagie. It might take me 5 years, 6 years. What your bat do you? If me deal with Abat, he no say I deal with her. Talk like say you will be rats. Offend with him. Don Osagie, you are just a little boy. No man can me. Where 21 euro coins. I can ask you where. 21 euro coins. I can ask you where. Don Osagie. Where's one rule here on the street? Ubon on the street. One rule here. Don Osagie. You don't see all the double chief where you carry, all the people will give you chief now. They are all useless from the society where they forgive you chief. Oh, when you call yourself double chief now, you not see say you disgrace all the old chief where they for their Igbo land, where they for Isha land. Because they worship money. They don't look people before they hand over chief for them. They worship money. Our chief go to play for one night. Chief have story. And tomorrow you will come and say, Edo land, we don't have better leaders. We don't have better chief. You are the one of the worst chief in Edo land. You will go in land, they give chief. That chief, if they not return that chief back, that society where they forgive that chief, they go cry for my hand. I go find you where they forgive you chief. All those chief, that they know all of them, they bring all of the picture for me. I go useless. They must return that chief for your hand. God, you do not want it. I just the throw parable for you, so I never start to. I'm just give you parable. I never start. When Ogionba, evil person for society is Don Osagie. But this our sister help you, supported you. You with your mama can plan money. The world is full of wickedness. The world is full of wickedness. You with your mama complain money. Your mama supports you in evil. Since when they tell me say many mama they support their pikin for evil, I don't know say that truth. Now I can't know say that truth. Don't know say gay. Hey, your mama wait there for Canada. He can't support you for evil. Bona, hey God, if your mama you put mat. The sister you come for put. You come for put. It's a pity. One I go carry man for street. Better man. When I go watch and hop. That money, 100 million euro. If I take an hectare leader for year. If I take an hectare deer for year. I dey carry vino. Papas. Ororo. The hectare Nigeria. I not get paper to go. The woman will get paper go they sell them. You go know how much you go make for a year. Now the business when I did do before. I see that 9 years when I did for grand, I not get paper to go. I just the buyer, but my profit they give me. I know as I the buyer, I the carry more to the carry, I see chop for inside I know. But you know how much you go to gain. Now I'm going to spend money for those word illiterate. Where they say they go school, they don't go school. Don Osagie, wait all the old money where the people they talk say they play them. What do they take money they do now? You take your money, they buy yourself for cut hands. You go where they will be cuts. Me forget free liberty. All the old money where they collect now, what do they take and they do? What do they take and they do? What do they take the old money they do now, Don Osagie? Some more picky way brain over strong. Because of this wayward life, you lose your fine woman Winifred. Everybody was blaming Winifred. Now this one, Winifred, see where he run. Oh. All this your info at now Winifred. I can't beat Winifred. I don't know say now you be bad person. I can't drive Winifred. Winifred is nowhere to be found. You know, the last time when he come out that day, I still got drive my house again. You know, they go, well, I don't know say now you be evil. I can't drop diamond ring. I can't draw ring. I don't know say because of your wayward life. Today for Spain. Today for Italy. Today for he go useless for life. For later in the evening. One waiting for follow Ashawo. Wait to look at Ashawo. Ashawo man. Edo keke eda gbon ye funye. Odo kin no given. You dey fuck different women. While the different women were, you know the one will get bad spirit for body. You see the way your orphanage can't take for go down today. The way you can't take useless for life. Now the women where they sleep with. Some of these women, they are evil way draw you go down today. You are just stronger to live today. You are just stronger to live because you don't go sleep with a woman where you're not supposed to sleep with. You don't go sleep with woman not supposed to sleep with. I did for 9 years. The only one guy I friend for 8 years. Women, they come to my way. The time when they tell you, say, man, I cannot work, man, I cannot work. When I carry some women will call me, I'll take the play. I go, they show my care for the for trouser. They'll say, as it says, swell up. All of them go put one for head. If they say they want to do, I say, buy ticket, come. So I go buy ticket. You know how many guests don't buy ticket, say they want to see me? About 4. I don't agree with the con. They'll don't buy ticket, I say, I know the house. I know if you carry the con one room, when I stay. Ask me with my brother they stay. I know if you carry the car, they'll pay for hotel. Some say they'll pay, they'll book hotel, and I will go. Because I follow my father's instruction. My father told me to not be any woman say I go to sleep with them. The draw mark, destiny go back. I did for Europe today, I not get paper for 9 years. For that 9 years when I not get paper, I know what God to bless me. What I know if achieve when I get woman for house. I achieve for that 9 years. I'm proud of myself today. So Don Osagie, wait for me. Let me go back to my destination. If I'm back to my destination, I will answer you. 8 hours now remain when I reach where I go. I want to sleep for 3 hours or before 4 hours. Guess not taking I can spend. I feel come up for here for 4 o'clock because now tomorrow they go where they go. If I don't they finish in the morning and they move by Wednesday I'll day for here. Don Osagie, you see your waywardness today. A good woman like this, you lose your wife. We born for you. Woman will not be born for you. You lose her. You jump responsible woman now. You jump responsible woman, Don Osagie. Who can woman will fit 100 million come out for his house. Me put for business. You see, say you don't feel better again. This to prove to the world you are 419, you are dirty 419. This will make it all women now they go wise. I know say now juju they use. I know say now juju where you go to do for Ishan land. As you do for Nigeria now, you will go Ishan land, you will go Ebola now juju they carry them. Last time when you come Spain, the woman where you go see for us, he call me. Before me with you down for that, he said, Don Osagie come my house. Now I say, no open left for that woman. No open left for her. He said, no open left for her. I don't know whether I say open left for you because women, they not trust them. I tell the woman, say what you did the waka is 2 months. He said, believe me. Now you go to find that they go. Why they tell you now, Don Osagie, you not get any party where they go. You go out travel from Canada to Italy. Any woman where yeah, they get people where they get information. Any woman where no say they try at all. Don Osagie, they go that compound. As if they go, don't take something rough face, it don't rub everywhere. Before the woman know, it don't fall put. Now so Don Osagie take the operator. Don't Osagie go here buju. Your mother will not teach you. Your mother will not train you well. They say bad mama. I don't know say your mother na evil. Prissy wey supported you for your orphanage home, may you not fall. Now you go carry your mama, take up plan money, 100 million euro. Now euro have been naira. Naira, 100 million naira. And how much that one be for euro? Why you not fit calculator? You not go school? 50,000 euro, 100,000 euro. No, 50,000 euro. Now 50,000 euro. Osagie mu go pa. O mu pa yeye. Wa mu go ni re don Osagie. Wala don Osagie. O me Osagie. O me Osagie na yan na ye don. Wa don la yin. E don odu yo ko vi o. Adodo me wo hu. No dey you me na because of this bad character na Adodo collect woman from you. You know, see person will collect woman for me. You know, spend 5 years. Okpa, your own no go fit by because now you be evil. Because my heart is sincere. My heart is sincere. Useless person for life. You see now, I want fetishes. Now when I did for travel, I don't want to talk too much. Don't again. Oh, what you about the talks is there? No way beneath people they blame about. He has come to read. Oh, wait here, but Obasa the talks, he says you be evil. He has come to read. Anybody, may person come and tell Abat now say he cannot on Osagie for 4 years. I'll tell that person say he know where. Oh, wait here, Abat the talks, his name is 3. They say sin is believing. Sin is believing. Oh, wait here, Abat, when Abat not let you breathe. Abat make sure safe. He off you down. Minister Abat is right. I know the person will know the talk. I'll be person with the talk truth. Minister Abat Obasa right for what they do since then. Eranomigo come out. Eranomigo say you are evil. Minister Eranomigo is right. Sometimes people they believe all those Abats. More they believe Eranomigo sometimes. Oh, wait till they talk for your body. Now you come to read now. You want to live big life where you never reach to live. Why you not use your money live the big life? You they play people. Tell you want to live the big life. You don't see me now. I dey struggle to live my big life. I'm not waiting for people to. Now only way I get when I can't cry to people about my documents. I found for there. I have nothing to do with people again. I have nothing to do with. If I want to do marriage today, if you wish to support me, you can support. If you don't wish to support, I can do it the way I can do it. Marriage where they do for a side, where they do for public, now picking we need for a side. No, that is the plus rest of mind. Now we need for a side. So, Don Osagie, you see your wayward life? You see how you are today? You see how you are today? A woman that supports you, no come on the one way to support you now. The one way you with your mama plan. You get your mama picture. You get your mama picture. Send that for me. Send that for me. Send that for me. Don Osagie ogun kan agbo wa sun. Wa sun garo ehun see high, see nose. Useless man. Useless boy. Not be this one not be man. This one we they spend me master take my no mona. No master the biena. Ya vi kwedo. A ba shawo gbewe. Ya gbewe spend me ne. E spend me we aba mo ki la wo. O la we no. We na go eko pa. Ah, when I go to or when on one egbe. See your miserable life today? Eh? I don't know, say that this woman. Now, somebody they talk yesterday for a platform, not show a picture. Now I call for a side, I say, they don't see me.